So let's go to the mock interview page. Here we can see the all kind of interviews from beginner, intermediate and advanced. So here I want to just create a custom mock interview according to my level. So here if I want, I can able to choose number of questions, interview category, general or whatever if I want. So as of now I'll put general, and if I want I can upload the resume. So according to my resume it will ask generate the dynamic question generation. Okay, here I'll start the interview. Okay, so I'm giving the access. I'm testing the internet speed. You can hear the speaker text. So now I'm good to go to start the interview. Okay.
It's lovely to meet you, and I'm excited to learn more about your qualifications and experiences. To start, this interview will consist of a series of questions to assess your skills, background, and fit for the role, and I'll provide feedback along the way to help guide our conversation. Can you begin by telling me a little about your professional background and how it's led you to this point in your career?
Okay, hi, this is Prabhas, and thanks to have this opportunity. So I'm a recent graduate of computer science in department, and I'm interested in the development of web and React, and mostly into the core interest of AI and ML. So my passion is always about to bring something worth by using the technology with the help of AI and ML. So I'm good with the Python and little bit basics of the AWS cloud, which impact in the server and global expansion and also the real-time production ready applications. So I'm always enthusiastic to contribute myself in the open source and as well as other kind of hackathons to improve my skill set and also make sure to have a good connection with the other peers.
Nice to meet you, Prabhas. It sounds like you have a strong foundation in computer science and a clear passion for using technology to drive innovation, particularly in AI and ML. Your experience with Python, AWS, and interest in contributing to open source projects is great to hear, and it's excellent that you're proactive about continuously improving your skills. Can you tell me about a specific project or hackathon that you've worked on that you're particularly proud of, and what your role was in it?
So I worked on a hackathon which is with a hackathon and also the Google hackathon. So we worked on a project which is called Farm Agree. It's a React Native app for completely for the farmers which they have in the native places, and it will help them to find out which crop they need to plant and the weather recommendation, crop recommendation and other kind of NLP resources and the loans and the government schemes which they need to avail. So there is no language barrier for it. So we used 11 labs and other kind of Vertex AI and other kind of LLMs to integrate in a low light model, so that even in the remote areas where the internet connectivity is too low, still the farmers can able to have and access all these kind of applications. So this is one of the application which I was proud of, and we selected on the top 6 in the Google Hackathon 2025 which is held in the Bangalore.
That's impressive, Prabhas. It sounds like the Farm Agree project had a significant impact on the farming community, and the fact that you and your team were selected as one of the top 6 in the Google Hackathon 2025 is a testament to your skills and dedication. I particularly like how you incorporated language support and a low-light model to make the app accessible to farmers in remote areas with limited internet connectivity. What was your role in the team, and how did you handle any technical challenges that arose during the project's development?
So my role in this team is a complete role maker of backend and as well as in the front end. If you call it as a full stack developer. So the early challenges we faced is like training the LLM model and make sure it should be integrated with the React Native and integrating in the front end and facing the network issues, and also we need to have the proper data set to train which crop and which kind of areas, geolocation, all the stats, and everything should be in a real dynamic way rather than a static. So we need to ensure all the real time information which we need for the complete app and its progress, which should work in a real time. So even we have a marketplace where the real prices is detecting. So we used Google sub and pub real-time asynchronous functions to handle it, the all kind of real-time databases, and Vertex AI to handle other functionalities as well, mainly in the LLM part.
As a full-stack developer, you had a crucial role in integrating the back-end and front-end of the Farm Agree app, and it's great that you were able to overcome challenges such as training the LLM model and integrating it with React Native. Your experience with handling real-time data, network issues, and databases will definitely be valuable in this role. How do you think your skills and experience will help you contribute to our company's mission and goals, and what are you hoping to learn and achieve in this position?
Okay, so one of the best thing I learned from the hackathons is like the time management and the peer pressure handling in the when the times where we can't able to deliver work. So I learned one of the crucial factor which is time management and as well as critical thinking. So as I'm critical thinker, I can able to make quick decisions which can able to help to contribute and make the work progress further, and I can able to have a foresight how to dealt with the situations, especially when there is a time bound. So these definitely added value in our company, and as well as I'm good with the team communication as well, so I can make a rigorous progress along with the team and with my team peers. So this experience which got me into it, and this kind of skill set definitely add value to our company and to myself to bring put on the table.
Excellent, Prabhas. It's great to hear that you've developed valuable skills such as time management, critical thinking, and team communication through your hackathon experience. Being able to work well under pressure, make informed decisions, and collaborate with team members are all essential skills for success in our company. I'm impressed that you're able to articulate how these skills will add value to our organization, and I think you'd be a great fit for our team. Can you tell me why you're interested in working with our company specifically, and what you know about our products or services that resonates with you?
So I think I will have the value added in your company along with my skill set. So it definitely I'm passionate about my work, and just my passion is where I want to work with a great like-minded people like you, where my interests are likely collided with you. So this interest and your product in the AI tech which solves the people's problem much more into it in a real-time scenario world. So this is the reason like which I resonate your product on it.
Thank you for completing.
So after the interview, you can able to see my performance, my confidence score, and the way I said everything, each and every analysis pin to pin I can able to see from here in the analysis dashboard, which really helps a candidate to improve which areas he is lacking and how can he able to improve it.